Welcoming students. As I've said in this particular part 2 video, I will be teaching all of the conversions of our non-fractional numbers. So this is here. Okay, from octal to decimal. So before doing this, do remember students, how were you converting binary to decimal? Do you remember? You used to, suppose if I had taken 101, if you could remember very carefully, you used to first note down the number starting from 0 till last, and you were raising 2 to the power to that particular number mentioned and the number. So this is the sequence that you used to use when you were converting your binary number to the decimal one. But here I will be following the same thing, but a slight change will be done over here that will help me for this particular conversion. Here, as our binary number, how many digits do we have? We were having 2 number of digits. That's why every time we were using 2 to the power everywhere. Now what happened? It's time for octal. That means you must be guessing. Yes, you have guessed it right. We will be taking 8. So similar sequence, this is my number, this is my octal number, I want to convert it to decimal. So similarly, I will be numbering from 0 till the last, starting from the right. But here, I will be writing 8 to the power 0 into the given number. 8 to the power that particular number that I have written and the number. And from this, what have I got? Anything to the power 0, 1, 1 into 5. 8 to the power 1, 8, 8 into 2, 16. So my answer is 25. See, we have got our decimal number. Can't you see? I have just followed by remembering binary decimal. I can now understand how to convert my octal to decimal number. See, I have just taken and I have just replaced with 2 to 8, and now my things are done. Now it's time for decimal to octal. Okay, just a moment. Okay, just a moment. 2 8 to the power anything to the power 0, it's 1. So 1 into 5 plus 8 into 2, it's 16. Sorry, excuse me guys, this will be 21. Now it's correct, 21. Now let us understand how to convert decimal to octal. Again, do remember when we were converting decimal to binary, every time. Now whatever things we will be learning now, you will be just taking the reference of this particular part, this binary conversion, and you will be doing. Just to remember, how were we converting decimal to binary? If the number was 15, we used to divide with, right? 2 7 job, then 1, 2 3 job, then 1, 2 1 job, then 1. Okay, this is how we used to do. As we were converting decimal to binary, binary is my 2 digits, so everywhere I was dividing it with 2, and I used to restore what? Restore my question in the remainder. But here my conversion is to octal. That means, yes, you have guessed it correctly, I will be dividing 8 with every of the numbers. So let's start. Let me take my decimal number to be 21. So I will be dividing it with 8. So 8 to just 16. 8 to just 16, and if we will be subtracting it, we'll be getting number as 5. Okay, now we'll be following the same sequence from bottom to up, and it's 25. 25. See, can you see? Previously I had taken 25 and I converted it to decimal, and I have taken the same 21, and now I am able to get my octal just by following this particular formula. See, not much to understand over here, just refer, your work is done. Okay, we'll be following the same thing for our hexadecimal to decimal. Here also, do remember how were we converting binary to decimal. We were taking 2 to the power everywhere, 2 to the power, and we were following the sequence. The same things need to be done over here. Let me take a number 1, 2, 3. Okay, suppose this is my hexadecimal number. Now I will be converting it to decimal. So what will I be doing? First write the number, raise it to the power 0, 1 and 2 as we every time doing. But now my number that I will be raising to the power 0 will be 16, because previously see, binary number in our binary conversion we used to take 2. Now it's hexadecimal. So 16 to the power 0 into 3, then 16 to the power 1 into the number, then 16 to the power 2 into the number. Okay, now my work is done. So anything to the power 0, 1, 3, 16 to 32, 16 into 16 and I need to calculate. 16 into 16, it's 256, 256 into 1, 256. I just need to add them up and my things are done. I just need to add them up. So adding up, I will be getting 291. See, now I have successfully converted to my decimal number. Now follow the same sequence for this. Let me take my decimal number as 291. So as I'm every time saying you, remember, how were you converting your decimal to binary? You were every time dividing your number with 2 because you were converting into binary. Now it's time for the hexadecimal. So let me divide it with 16. This particular mathematical calculation need to be done by you. So if I will be taking it 16, right? I need to do this particular maths work. So 16, 1 is 16, and this is 3. This is again 1, this is 1. Oh my god, 131. I've got such a big number. Then I will be dividing with 16, and I'm getting 6, 8, 12. Okay, now this is 3, now 0. Okay, so I can take 8n is my quotient, 3 is my remainder. Again 16, 1 is 16, remainder is 2. Okay, now again follow the same sequence from bottom to up. So it's 1, 2 and 3, and see, your hexadecimal is ready here. Did you understood the conversion? This was this simple, guys. Okay, that is why part 1 is very important to understand this particular part 2 of the video. I hope you have enjoyed this part 2 part of the video as well, but you have not checked out yet the part 1. Make sure you will be first going through the part 1 of this particular sequence of number system that I am now teaching to all of you. Then you come to the part 2 of this particular video. So in our following videos, we will be in our upcoming class, we will be learning how to make these conversions when fractional numbers will be given to us. Like here you must be observing, everywhere I have taken non-fractional numbers, that is without decimal places. In our upcoming class, we will be learning the conversions with fractional numbers, and those classes will be also very important. Make sure you like to this particular video if you have learned something valuable, and please give feedback at the comment section. And if you are loving this kind of videos, then make sure you subscribe to this particular video and press the bell icon for upcoming updates. Thank you so much, and bye bye.